Laurie, you're on News 96.5. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. I was wondering if a bill of sale in the purchase of a vehicle is legally binding.
It absolutely is. Now, often, Laurie, if that car is financed, you don't have access to the title to transfer the title. And so in lieu of that, you would do a bill of sale. Laurie, what are you trying to do?
Okay, so I actually signed the bill of sale to buy a car, and I put a deposit down, and I have a copy of the bill of sale, but he's basically decided he's going to try. He knows it's a good. Now he's realized it's a good deal, so he's trying to get more out of it.
Well, okay. So, Laurie, have you paid him in full for this?
I have not. I paid the deposit of $100.
Okay.
And it says on there the parties agree at the last part.
Laurie, I don't want you to read it to me. Laurie, he's got possession of the car, I assume, right?
He does, and he owns it. They have the title.
And is the deal that you're going to go back and pay him the rest of the money next week, and at that time pick up the car?
Yes, I was supposed to go, but there's a possibility that he basically said that he was going to do the bill of sales and take $100 deposit, and then whoever's the highest one that's willing to pay the most will get the car.
Well, that is very odd, Laurie. So you guys never agreed on a purchase price then, is what you're telling me.
Well, we agreed on the $3,000.
Okay.
But he said that, and nobody else had come. I mean, basically it's, on a garage sale site, and I went first thing this morning at 8 o'clock. They were like, high, and then they said high bidder is going to win, even though they had the price on there as $3,000.
So how long did he say he's going to wait around and see what other high bidders come in?
He told me until noon. But my husband, I just spoke with him, and he's like, well, you signed a bill of sale. You got, the driver's license number. He says, I'm just wondering if it's legally binding.
Laurie, have you contacted him already? And he's already said, Laurie, by the way, somebody came in and offered more than $3,000.
No, but I would like to let him know that if he comes in and says it's $4,000, and I'm not going to give him an extra $1,000 for the
I got you.
So
Laurie,
I'm just trying to figure out how do I approach him, because
Laurie, first of all, it would not require that you have a written contract in order to strike a deal to buy a car. In other words, it could be an oral contract. Now, Laurie, if your oral contract had been, here we agree to $1,000, here's a $100 deposit, I'll be back next week with $2,900 to pick up my car, that's an oral contract. But from the get-go, Laurie, he told you, hey, put $100 down. If I don't have another better offer by noon today, then you're if I do get a better offer, you're out. And I think that is a contract, Laurie. So all right,
that's what I wanted to make sure.
I would say in the sense that if push comes to shove and you're in court testifying and you're saying, yeah, Judge, he told me that if he gets a better offer, he's going to take it. Well, you lose.
Right.
That's my opinion, Laurie.
I wanted to know if the bill of sale is legally binding for me in general. I mean, like in my life, so I know how to buy, how to sell, and how legally binding it is, because
under this, Laurie, at this moment in time, based on the fact situation you've given me, I do not think that you have a legally binding contract with this gentleman. With that said, Laurie, I wish you the best of luck that you get this car that you want it. Now, Laurie, let's finish the scenario, okay? Let's first of all, you call him and you tell him that you talked to attorney Tom Olsen, and he said he better sell you that car for $3,000, or you're going to hit for whatever that's worth, Laurie. Hopefully a lot.
Yeah.
But let's just say that he finished that, you struck that deal with him, Laurie. What would you want from him? You would want a bill of sale. You would want that car title where he's actually signed it, conveyed it to you, and you would want a limited power of attorney. Those three documents will make life very easy for you when you go down to the tag and title office to transfer that car title into your name. Stated another way, if all you do is you walk into the tag and title office with a signed bill of sale or a title, it will be a lot harder for you. So this limited power of attorney is very important, Laurie, and I do recommend that you get it if you strike this deal.
Okay. All right. Well, I appreciate it.
All right, Laurie, good luck to you. I hope you get that car. I know that's exciting for you.
Thanks.
Hey, folks, my name is Tom Olsen. The name of the show is Olsen on Law. You're listening to News 96.5. We'll be back in just a few minutes.